Hello, my crafty friends. My name is Denise Becker, and I'm from sunny Florida. I've just been playing around in my craft room because my kids have had a stomach bug and haven't been able to go over there. So, yeah, they're feeling better, much better today. So I'm going to wait until tomorrow to go, though. But I've been I was gonna do a tutorial showing y'all how to do this. Well, absolutely not. No, 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 no. It was, I can't even get it all. It's, I think it's about 8 or 9 inches tall. It's this bag from, a faceted gift bag from Sam from Mixed Up Craft. This was, oh my gosh, I don't even know what to tell you. This was the first one I made. It just looks completely beat up. I put some papers on upside down because you're definitely, if you make this, use non-directional paper. It's a pain in the neck. So I made another one and it came out a little bit better, a little nicer finish. I did increase the size of the DSP because I just didn't, I don't know, I just liked it better to cover up more of the pink. So this one did come out a lot better. It's not perfect. I did, it's just a little, I just rounded the corner on the back just to make it look better, and used a punch to, you know, give this little decorative edge. So this is better, and I will use it. It's not perfect. It's far from perfect, but it's okay. But I mean, this was a booger. This was a booger. I don't even know how to explain how to do it. Putting it together was like unbelievable. I've never made anything this complicated. I was like, oh my gosh, I'll forget it. So forget it. This one I'll use. This one, no. No, I won't. And I did make Amy's gift bag for her friend. I used, I've done a tutorial on this before. It's my favorite bag. It's also from Mixed Up Crafts. And I can't remember the dimensions, but anyway, I just increased the sides to, it would normally be 4 inches wide. I increased it to 6, and the base as well, just to make it, you know, fit the gift, and it came out just fine. So I'm happy with that. And because the gift is heavy, this is folded over, obviously, and I put a piece of cardstock underneath here and eyelets just to make it strengthen, you know, because it is a heavier gift. So, and I did put an extra piece of cardstock in the bottom, and I made the sides and the bottom with cardstock instead of paper. So I think it's going to be just fine. So I like that. This came out fine, and I used one of my bow dies I got from Amazon, and that's really pretty. I like that. So yeah, I've just been fooling around, and honestly, I haven't been feeling that great. I'm still, my cold is getting better, but it's just lingering on. So I just wanted to show y'all a quick little tutorial. It's a little gift bag, but it's made from, I used my circle cutter to cut out a 7-inch piece of cardstock, this Calypso Coral, and then I think I came down, it looks like about 1/8 of an inch, and made a smaller circle out of the DSP, and it coordinates with this, and then cut it in half. So that's all I did there. You just cut out this was a 7-inch circle. I cut it in half, and then cut out the other piece. I think it was about 1/8 of an inch smaller, and cut that in half. And then I just glued them together and used my bone folder and just curled it, because you'll see the little bag we're gonna make it. And then the little handle is 8.5 by 1 1/4, and then I went ahead and I used the Calypso Coral, and then I put the DSP 1/8 of an inch shorter and rounded the corners just to make it a little stronger, although this doesn't have to be strong. And then you need a piece of cardstock, which is what is it? 4.5 by 3.5. This was from Ann Melvin, Positively Papercraft. She used to be a demonstrator, but she went out on her own, and she makes some really cool things. I have a hard time following her sometimes. She's really advanced. Now what she did was she just cut a little, oh, I'm sorry, yeah, 4.5 by 3.5, and then you score it 1/2 inch all the way around. And she just turned the cardstock like this, and cut up the little tabs and just took a little wedge. We need a little tray like for the base of this little gift bag. Okay, so I'm just turning the paper and making, cutting up the score line, making little tabs. That's all I'm doing. Very simple. Just a little tray. It's like the base of a box, but I normally don't cut them like this, but I said, well, she did it, I might as well do it. So, that's simple. Very quick and easy. If you can find a circle cutter, oh my gosh, because otherwise you need one of those big die cut machines, which I'd love to have, but I don't know. I don't know how much I would use it. You have to buy those big dies, and then I'm just going to glue these little tabs. Can y'all see? Yeah, I'm going to put glue and glue these little tabs. I've got a paper cut that keeps, oh, I got to be careful because I'm out of Band-Aids, and it keeps bleeding. I don't know why. Okay, so I'm just going to glue this together, hold that down. There we go. Bring these inside. Okay, just to make a little tray. I hope everybody's having a decent, nice Sunday. I've been in my craft room just playing around, looking around, seeing what I have. I said after making those two ridiculously hard bags, I said, no, I want something quick and easy. Quick and easy. No, I'm not in the mood. And just make a little tray. That's all I'm doing, just gluing these little tabs. Ow, I hope that doesn't start bleeding again. Oh, I better not use it. Okay. Very simple to make. Oh, if you can find one of these circle cutters, they are so handy. They are so handy. Because I don't think I'm going to go out and buy that big, giant, die cut thing. I don't think I am. Alright, so we got our little tray made. That's just simple. And then, like I said, I did use my bone folder and curl this up. It's just half a circle. I just curled it up. And we're going to start on the short side of the little tray. And it's going to go to all the way to the bottom in the middle of this little semicircle. So we're going to try to get it right in the middle. I'm not going to measure it. I'm just going to eyeball it. Hopefully it'll be fine. Let's see. Try to get it in the middle. Let's see. No. Let me see here. I'm not swift at getting things straight, so let's see, maybe down a little bit. Yeah, just right even with the bottom of that little tray. That's it. That's all you do. And then just press it down. I don't want to use this finger. It's going to bleed on everything. Okay. Out of Band-Aids. How do you run out of Band-Aids? I'm out. Okay. Now, so that's fine. And then we're just going to curve it around. Just curve it around. That's all there is to it. So simple. And it's just adorable. Okay. Just curve it around. Right even with the bottom. Whoop. Okay. Just pinch that little corner there, make sure it's stuck, and mash it down. Very cute and quick and easy. Okay. Put some more glue over here, and bring it all the way around. Not all the way around, but this as far as it'll go. I'm just going to pinch that little corner. I need to change my blade on my trimmer. I see it's not. I gotta get that off. Okay. So there's half of it. Super simple. this would be, you'll see when I put it together, this would be really cute for Valentine's because it kind of looks like a heart. You see, when the other part goes on there like that, that would be really cute for Valentine's Day, or anything. It's just a cute little holder. All right, we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Put this, try to get it in the middle. Let's see. What's the best way for me to see? To gauge. Yeah, that looks about right. You don't have to be, this is just, you know, this is one of those things, you don't have to worry about measuring everything and being so totally precise. Just try to get it even. Let me see, I think that looks about right. And go all the way to the bottom. Yep, there we go. Super cute. I have so much of this paper. I was gonna make Anne had made this cute bag that looked like a beach tote. Well, I tried it. Nope, didn't work out. Sometimes I like her a lot. I follow her, but sometimes I just don't quite get what she's saying, what she's doing, because I don't know what I'm doing. That's what it is. Pinch that, and we'll just glue this down. But she comes up with some really cool ideas. There we go. Quick and easy. Okay, that's all I'm doing. Just get this glue stuck down. Yeah, I'm dying to go see my puppies. I like to play with them, but I sure don't want the stomach bug. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glue inside here just to keep this from flopping open. Okay. Yeah, this would be super cute for any occasion. Christmas, I can see Christmas. In fact, she made a Christmas one. It was adorable. But Christmas in July, I guess. It's so dang hot down here. I'm not in the mood for, well, maybe that'll cool me off. I don't know. Let's try to get that even. Yeah. Okay. Just hold it down. Even and straight. There we go. Okay. Nurse that down. Spread your glue out. Super quick and easy. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a little glue behind here. Just tack it down. There we go. I don't think I did that on the other side. That's okay. It's a sturdy little bag. I tell you, with the cardstock and the paper, it's a really sturdy little bag. But I would just put candy in it. And, oh, let me see. Okay, now the handle, and I did make using my large and medium daisy punch. I punched out 2 large and 1 small, and gently curl the edges under, and then I put them on, you know, in between the layers, and then I just put one of the, I don't even know where these came from, but I said that's perfect, matches everything. So and I just made them in petal pink because it coordinates with this. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the handles on. I did get 2 brads out, but I'm thinking, I don't know, I don't want to put a brad through there. No, I don't. I'm gonna have to come up with something else. I was gonna stick a brad through there, so the hand, I'm not gonna bother. I'm just gonna glue it on. Yeah, I'm just gonna glue it on, and I'll come up with something else. I just thought about that. Why would I want to put a brad through there? I'm just gonna put some glue on the bottom and come down right in the middle. Ah, this finger, I'm worried. Okay. I'm gonna come up with something else to put on there. On the sides of the handle, little handle. How far did I come down? Okay. Well, I could have put more glue. I don't want that to come off. Okay. It's just adorable. It's the cutest little gift bag. There's nothing to it. Okay. Well, put a little bit more glue on this side. And I came down, let's see. That's about right. See, I'm not worried that, you know, this is one of those projects you don't have to fret over, worry about, measure everything. It's just a cute little treat holder is what it is, or a little gift bag. Okay, I'm gonna have to put something there though. I want something on there. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put my little flowers right in front, just like that. And I think I'm just gonna glue them on. I could use a glue dot, but I think I'm just gonna glue them on. Right there, okay? That's adorable. That's cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. That's cute. I'm gonna put one on the back too, I think. That is too cute. She made a really cute little Christmas one, but I'll wait till July. Okay, have y'all started early Christmas crafting? You know, I probably should, because, you know, the way I am, I should start early. There you go. I'll put something there. I don't know what yet. Put some little gems or something there on this side. Just one or two little ones, whatever. But there you go. It's called a, what did she call it? Gorgeous wrap over gift bag. And that's it. That's how easy it is to do. Y'all find yourself a circle cutter. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. You know, I've tightened this thing up over and over and over. And, okay, I wasn't paying attention. I'm sorry. I wasn't even looking at the monitor. Get yourself a circle cutter. They really, really, really come in super handy to make those bigger circles, you know. I mean, not that you use them all the time, but, you know, you do use them. I mean, you could absolutely trace this on a plate and cut it out, but this is just so much easier. My gosh. So there's your little wrap over gift bag. Okay. And yeah, and then I'll put something right there. So that's it, y'all. Just wanted to come on and wish everybody a nice, happy Sunday, and show you this cute little gift bag, because I gotta, you know, Amy always needs something. So anyway, y'all, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I'm going through my stash, and I have found a couple more stamp sets. And I'm going to see what else I have. I'm going to do another little giveaway. And Cindy, yours is coming, honey. I'm sorry. Everybody has just been sick around here, and it's going to get mailed out tomorrow. I'm so sorry. But anyway, y'all, I will see you very soon, and I have a little giveaway for you. So, y'all, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye, y'all.